Alright, this is video number 2. I just got back. There's light outside, so you can actually see the exhaust now. I just wanted to get a little bit better video than I did yesterday, since it's daytime and it's lunchtime and nobody's home, so it won't matter too much if it's really loud. Go ahead and start it up again. Go ahead and start it up again. Go to neutral. Max, get back. Get back, get back, get back. It looks like the gaskets are smoking a little bit. Let me make sure that's what it is. Actually, it might be that O2 sensor right there. Other than that, everything looks fine. I'm gonna have to probably move around these O2 sensors a little bit. I think they might be touching the exhaust some. But other than that, everything's running good. Freaking loud. Hope you guys can actually hear this one, and it actually sounds a little bit better. There you go.